The Road Not Taken. This poem has been composed by a famous American poet, Robert Frost. The poet is traveling in a forest and he comes to a point where two roads separated and took the different direction. This poem is about making choices in life, and the poet says that the choices that we take in our life decide our future. They shape our personality and they take us to a definite destination. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The poet was traveling in a forest. Yellow wood means forest covered with yellow leaves, and he comes to a point where two roads separated. Diverse means separated and took different directions. And sorry, I could not travel both, as he is one traveler. So he could not travel both the roads at the same time. So he has to make the choice of one road. So that is why long I stood. He stood there for a long time and looked down one as far as I could. He looked down one road as long as far as he could do, to where it bent in the undergrowth. He was able to watch the road, and he looked down the road to that point where it bent, where it moved in the undergrowth means in the dense plants and trees. So here road symbolizes life. The two roads represent two choices of life. Sometimes it happens in our life that there are two choices and we have to make one choice. The same happened with the poet. He has to make one choice. He has to select one path where he has to move on. That will decide his future. The road not taken is that road which we don't take in our life. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. The poet was having two roads in front of him, and he thought it was very difficult for him to decide which road he should take. Both the roads seemed to him same. Fair means same. They were fair to him, but he decided to take the other road. Other road means second road. He decided to take the second road, and having perhaps the better claim. Better claim means better option. It seemed to him to have the better possibilities. It seemed to him better option because it was grassy and wanted wear. Grassy means full of grass, and wanted wear means less traveled by people. So the second road was his choice because it was full of grass and it was less traveled by many people. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. But as he started moving on that road, he realized that this road also had the same challenges and same problems. There is not much difference between first road and the second road. So both the roads were having the same challenges and problems. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. For the poet, both the roads were same in that morning. Both the roads equally lay, they were same. In leaves no step had trodden black. They were full of leaves. Leaves were in their natural color. They have not changed their color and turned into black. Trodden black means no one has put their step on the leaves and leaves had not changed their color. Oh, I kept the first for another day. And with a grief in his heart, he thought that he would take the first road, he would move on the first road for some other day. On some other day, he would come and move on the first road, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Although in his heart of hearts, he knew very well that one path goes ahead, it leads another path. No one can come back. So he was doubtful. He had doubts in his mind that it would not be possible for him to come back and take the first road once again. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So the poet is telling this with a sigh, with deep breath. He is feeling sorry after a long time, after the passing of time. He was feeling sorry for not choosing the first route, because now his future is something different from what he was thinking. He is telling us that in the past he was traveling in a forest where two roads separated and took the different direction, and he was not able to decide what to do. Then he opted the second road, which was less traveled by people, and that has made all the difference in his life. That selection of road created difference in his life. His future is totally different from his thinking, from his dreams, what he had thought. Now the poet tells us that we should be extremely wise and careful while making choices in life, because our future depends on our choice. This message has been conveyed by the poet in the poem The Road Not Taken. Now there is a use of metaphor, symbolism, and use of alliteration in the wanted where. Symbolism is there when he says that the two roads are the two choices, two paths of our life. So metaphorically, the poet has depicted the life of human beings which comes before us. Thank you.